Bonafide Hustler here, E-Money over here, and we're gonna go garage selling today. There's freaking rain outside, there's water, there's H2O falling from the sky. Anyways, we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna try to make some money reselling used items and put it on places like eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, my antique booth, stuff like that. Come join, let's go. What up, guys and gals? Chris Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from E-Money's spaceship. Your spaceship has incredibly small knobs for the volume and tuning right here.
That's because the weather's so cold. The weather's so cold that the knobs like kind of shrink.
Oh, okay. Right. Makes sense now. I see. Turn this on. We're gonna hit up some garage sales today. We're gonna hope to hit up some garage sales today. There might be like 4, and then we're gonna hit up some thrift stores and we'll show you what we find. We're just gonna make it out. It's about 8:15. Got a little bit of a late start, but that's because of this dude.
No, it's not.
It's actually because of this dude. So we got a garage sale sign right here. We are on the hunt. Guys, if you do this as well in your hometown, even on a rainy day or whatever, you try to get out there and make some money, hit the like button right now. Right there, look. Oh, look, garage sale on a rainy day.
Wow.
So sweet. Let's go check it out. Oh, I see stuff.
Yes.
Oh, no, that looks cool. There's a lot of random stuff here. Look at this stuff. Let's go check it out. Oh, right, we actually found some really good stuff at this garage sale. E-Money, what'd you get?
I got this very customized bow for $1. It's great for shooting into trees.
Customized, huh?
Yeah, it's custom.
That looks like an Academy or, yeah, that doesn't look very, that looks like an Oshman's or a sporting goods store bow.
It's custom.
Okay, well, whatever, dude.
Check.
What else we get here? Let's take a look. So this is something that's got to go out later. E-Money popped on a P90X. Yep. How much does that sell for if it's complete?
I think the last one I sold was like 40 bucks.
Popped on this crate right here for $1. That's gonna go in my booth for around 30. And then some random jewelry that I don't know much about, but it was $1, so I'm just gonna pick it up. Some jewels. I think the real winner is right here. So this is a Breno time-lapse cam that I popped on for 20 bucks. Pretty awesome. The model, there's like 2 really distinct models of Brenos that I am familiar with. So once I run the numbers on this on eBay, but my guess is this is gonna sell for around 75 to maybe 125, something like that. That's a Breno time-lapse cam. So most iPhones do time-lapse now, most phones will do time-lapse, but this is something separate from your phone that you set up on a tripod, you press a button, and it records a time-lapse and it puts it on a card as one file, not a bunch of pictures, which is pretty cool. So that was brand new, pretty much brand new, I mean mint condition. I paid 20 for it, and that's pretty good. On our way to the next garage sale. Hey, garage sale number 1, not too bad already. I did look up that Breno camera officially on eBay, and ones in that color are almost exactly going for around 80 to 90 bucks. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna go home, test it out. It should work just fine. It takes 4 AA batteries, so that's a really good find right there. There's a line outside of Schlotzsky's. Why are there so many people outside of Schlotzsky's right now? That is crazy. Are they like releasing the new Yeezys sandwich? No way. We got a garage sale right here that's kind of like, I don't know. Got some reindeer on the side of the house. We got some random stuff back there. And it looks like some hipsters, so it's all good. We all hip, it's all good. Let's go check out this garage sale. So we got free hot chocolates. That was pretty cool. E-Money scored these for $1 a piece. Paper Mario Wii and Harry Potter, which he will be playing at his house. And I was sitting there and I saw this thing. They first of all gave us free hot chocolates, which I guess sometimes comes with like an obligation of some sort. Like, oh, now I gotta buy something from the garage sale. That's what I think. But the hot chocolate was delicious. And so yeah, I met a guy named Phil there. And I bought this for $1, which I'll put in my booth for around 20, 30, something like that. This Betty Boop thing. It's a napkin holder. And there was a part when I was talking, the guy goes, "Do you have a reselling YouTube channel?" And I was like, maybe. No. But anyway, we were cool, and he's a reseller too. So what's up to Phil if you see this video, dude?
So these, I might bundle this one for like with some of the Wiis. So it's always good to get really cheap Wii games if you want to bundle them with your Wii, because I think the ones that I always sell here in town are $40. So if I just throw in a game, it helps.
Okay, that makes sense. It does.
Yeah.
All right, next garage sale.
Oh, hey.
What?
Got a little question for you.
Okay, what's that?
Name one spell that Harry Potter does.
I do not like Harry Spotter Potters. I don't like Harry Potter.
SpongeBob Potters.
I do not. I'm not a huge Harry Potter fan.
All right.
Yeah, not at all.
Try.
Huh?
Try.
I don't know a single spell. Let's think here. Chicken soup and rice spell. Is that one of them? Did I get it? All right. Let's think here. Super Smash Brothers spell.
No, that one's not one.
Voldemort spell? I have no idea what the hell I'm talking about. All right, hold on. I'm trying to think. Funny looking wood stick that looks like a wand spell?
No.
Okay, what is it? Give me one spell.
Huh?
Give me a spell then. What is a spell even?
I'll use one at the next garage sale.
Okay,
so when
fine.
it gets up to me.
What a dork. All right, I'm asking E-Money the order of all the Harry Potter movies. Since he's a pretty big fan, and he's gotten the first 3 pretty good, I'm asking him number 4, which is this one right here. What's the 4th one, E-Money? Am I missing out on Harry Potter? Please let me know in the comments below. Should I be watching this series or not?
Oh, it's this house.
I don't know. Please let me know. There's some cool bikes and stuff here. Dang.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Heavy,
super stuff here.
In the bike.
All right, E-Money, give me the 4th one. Hurry up.
Thinking, I don't think it's the Goblet of Fire.
It is the Goblet of Fire.
Okay.
What's number 5?
Oh my gosh, this one's like...
Hey man, don't get stressed out here. Come on, it's just Harry Potter stuff.
Gosh. It's like a mazer hat thing, I'm trying to think.
Order.
Oh, Order of the Phoenix.
All right, number 6, what is that? This one you will not get.
It's like the Deathly Hallows, right?
Nope. That's number 7.
Dang, they really have
Number
that many?
6 is Half-Blood something.
Oh, the Half-Blood Prince.
All right, what's the last one?
Deathly Hallows 1 and 2.
Yep, all right, you got
But
it.
then there's a new book that's out, which is like him in the future.
Which is the, I know.
Because he's getting old, so they're probably gonna make one.
All right, this garage sale looks pretty awesome. I see a dirt jumper bike, I see surfboards and stuff. I'm actually really pumped up. See if I can score some of this stuff. Who knows? It's probably high price because it's still sitting here. We'll see. Okay, so we didn't find anything there. There were some cool things. You know, he's asking some pretty high prices. The coolest thing is this 280ZX that he's selling. He's asking $21,000 for it, and that thing is mint inside. It is an amazing looking car. And I guess you kind of have to be a semi-fan of those cars to appreciate what this guy has. It is super nice. Probably the nicest one I've ever seen. Turbo as well. Oh, it's such a nice car. I actually asked him how much it was because I was considering like if it was a decent price like buying it, but that's like market price I think. So anyways, nice car though. I want to get a Grand National. I think sometime in my life I'm gonna get a Grand National. So I don't know when, but sometime in my life. Okay, who knows what a Grand National is? Let me know down below. Okay, let's get out of here and get some coffee, right?
Where are we going?
We want some coffee?
Where are we going? Coffee shop.
Coffee shop. We're here at Thunderbird Coffee. Let's go eat money. Let's get a coffee. I got a soy cortado. Not a doppio today though. You got cortado today?
Yeah, cortado today.
It's starting to drizzle out here. And we got our cortados, so let's get into the truck before my camera gets destroyed. So we got our cortados, which are basically a doppio with equal parts of milk, right?
Equal shots of espresso.
Yeah.
And equal
Parts of milk, right?
milk. Yeah.
I got a funny comment the other day. It said, everyone was commenting about what was the,
good.
everyone was commenting about the stuff that was in the video, and this one comment came out of nowhere and said, let's not ignore the fact that Chris just went from a businessman to a like hippie kind of looking dude within 1 year. I guess my like hair's all grown out, my beard's here. It's kind of funny anyways. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
That's what it looks like, right? Forget it, it's gonna like spill. Mine's a soy cortado. It's not the
Mine needs to be hotter.
Yeah, mine too.
It's because of the milk. Milk cooled down.
It's a really kind of subpar cortado. It's not the greatest coffee either. Not the greatest espresso that they used, but it'll do. So we have a couple. I don't know if there are any more garage sales that are going right now because the rain just started kind of.
You want to go to Goodwill?
There's a Goodwill down the street.
Let's do that because the garage sale probably it's kind of rainy.
Okay, we're gonna go to Goodwill right now. Let's go check it out.
Store mode, go.
pull up to the Goodwill, see if we can find anything here. Oh my gosh, a Magna zip drive? Holy crap. Good morning. Clearance, new apparel, e-money. I don't know, look it up. I know what this shoe is. Pretty good condition. This is a Wildcat. I know this shoe very well. Might be your size. Yeah, USA 9. They use Wildcats. No, these are Wildcats. This will probably go for around, I don't know, 50 bucks, 45. No, I'm gonna pass on it. See what the price is.
Probably 20.
12. Yeah, I'll pass on that. I'm gonna find something good. These are pretty cool Tevas right here for personal use. If you ever get a pair of these are the good ones. Go to the bag section. Look at this snowboard with step-in bindings, man. Old school.
How much?
Whoa. Dude, it's got a Chiba Chews. A Chiba Chew sticker. Chiba Chews. You know what that is, Chiba Chews?
No.
Oh, come on, E-money.
Like dog food?
No, take another guess.
Dog treat?
No, take another guess. Chiba Chews.
Oh. Like tobacco stuff?
No.
What is it?
Come on, man.
I don't know.
Come on, man. Are you down with the Chiba Chews? Are you? Let me know. Sorry, I piggyback was super sick, but it's missing the backpack thing.
How much is it?
I'm gonna pass on that. It's actually interesting. Hold on. This is a wine rack, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Is it a real? It's Goldberg Brothers. Okay, so Goldberg Brothers, no, this is a real. This really is. So, let me look this up. I've actually sold some Goldberg Brothers reels before. This one's actually, I think, a wine rack thing. I might look this up. Nice.
Hey, look, you can kill people too.
Awesome.
Oh,
Xbox?
man.
That's PS. Oh, it's not good.
Whammied out.
It is whammied out. I got this reel. I think it's a wine holder. Paid $7 out the door. I don't know what it's going to sell for. I want to take a step on it because I can put this in my antique booth. I can also sell it on eBay, maybe for like 40, 50 bucks, maybe more. I don't know. But if you try to find, look, if you're at garage sales and you find reels that look like this, Goldberg Brothers reels in like a lot fashion do really well. So I've sold 5 reels for like 130 bucks one time back in the day, and they're like destroyed reels. But anyways, so look for Goldberg Brothers actual reels, and they look gray and like all tarnished and weird.
But this is like a decor thing.
I know it's a
looks
decor
like all
thing,
fancy.
but you have to look for that Goldberg Brothers thing because when you find them in the wild, this won't be in the middle. You won't be able to know. You have to look on the outside for it. Okay, we're at one of 2 thrift stores that we have left to go. This is Texas Thrift Store, and then it'll be taco time pretty soon. Yeah, we're gonna go eat at Taco Deli, E-money.
Not to go.
Man, he's already in taco mode. I've been like, I want to make some money mode. This dude's already in taco mode. Hey, by the way, if you like the videos, make sure you hit the like button. Because these things are a pain in the butt to edit, but still, we have fun. We want to show you guys what we're finding. And if you're a guy watching this right now, grow your hair out. It's super awesome. 0 chance your job will fire you too, if you work for yourself. What? I said there's 0 chance that your job will fire you if you grow your hair out, if you work for yourself. He thought it was funny. I know he did. Look at the games, man. There's a calculator back there. Yeah, looking around. Let's see what we got here. Jacket sale locally, if you time it right. All right, we're gonna go into the abyss. That is the toy section and the electronics section. There might be some guitars. Here's some Guitar Hero controllers. This one. My money's on this one. What is it? Hold on.
It's a Les Paul.
Let's take a look.
100%.
Not 100.
Yeah, 100% Les Paul.
I know it's a Les Paul, but I don't know the actual system is a PS. Let me see. Yeah, this is a PS, right? Hey. It's a PS one.
Yeah, that's a great spot.
Not too bad. What would you pair this one up with?
Legends of Rock. I have one.
Sweet. There's like so many things in this store. Look at. Oh, sweet. Look at those. E-money is a little bit behind today on the cheddar. I've given him the guitar, and he's going to do the bundle and send it off to FBA. What do you think? 95 bucks or so?
$94.99.
$94.99 with the right game. The guitar goes, and it detaches in the middle, so it becomes half the size. Oh, look at that. 2 seconds down the road, so we're here at the Hope Thrift Store. I found something here last time I was here, but I don't come here very often. All right. E-money, do you want the king spot? That's for a king. That's just for a king right here. E-money, you're gonna be a king today. Get that king spot. Oh, like kings. Nice. Wait, did it. All right, let's go in here and see if we can find any cheddar. Oh. Racing set, what is this? 2 sport cars. Okay, I want to see this. Whoa. I want to see what this cars look like. Man, that's like old school slot cars. You find it? You money anything good? All right, looking for some shoes. This cool boombox in the corner though. Some interesting. It's like side zip beetle looking boot. Pretty cool. These are cool. This looks like Vask or something like that. Allen Edmonds, 20 bucks. This looks like something good. Size 15 though. These are like Chukka ankle style boots. I'm gonna look these up for sure. All right, I got them. I got them for $10. I mean, it's marked 20 on the bottom, and she looked right at it, and she just said 10 bucks.
Somebody cleaned them up.
I mean, it's barely been used. I mean, barely been used. But anyways, Allen Edmonds, these are size 15, which is cool. So someone that's a size 15 that can't find this stuff in a store or whatever, or it's like a discontinued model, is only gonna find my eBay listing, for example. And you know, I'll charge somewhere between $100 and $200 for these things. And they're in really good condition, very, very tough leather. So I'm all about it. Let's go, and I spent $10 on them. So let's go to a pawn shop down the street, and then we will see if we can get some Guitar Hero games that we pair with controllers and send off to FBA. All right, so we're done with the pawn shop. We can almost never bring the cameras into these places. So, and it's almost like you deal suicide if you bring a camera in here, because they don't like people like filming at the pawn shop. So I popped on one thing for $8, $8.65 out the door. I swear this is either rank 1 or rank 2 on Amazon right now in whatever category. I think electronics or video cameras or whatever. This is a C920 Logitech camera that shoots at 1080. It's like the industry standard. Rank 1 or rank 2 should yield about $50 to $55. I paid $8.65 out of it, and that's after fees and everything like that. What'd you get? We found some games.
Yeah, so I'm gonna bundle this with the Les Paul, or it also bundles with the wired white Explorer guitar. And this one, I know it says the bundle, but this is just the regular Guitar Hero 2. This one bundles with the Explorer guitar, so don't neglect those.
It's taco time. We're sitting here at the Taco Deli. We're outside of the Taco Deli. It's over there somewhere. Hey, do I have like the Shang Tsung haircut? What do I have?
You do have Shang Tsung.
I'm rocking the Shang Tsung today.
Yeah.
We're here at Taco Deli. We're gonna get inside spot. Hopefully it is freezing outside. We got our to-go tacos. They're all sitting in here. Got some salsa. Got some good stuff right here. We got some refried beans. Oh, look at that. See you guys in the car when we're done. Let's look at one taco real quick. Let's see. Oh, yum. Look at that. All right, so we're pretty much done with the tacos. They were so good. It's pretty much the end of the video. E-money.
Yeah.
What's a series to watch right now? That's good.
Series to watch?
Yes. Hurry up.
Oh gosh, dude, you just like put me on the spot. All right, Stranger Things. I know it's like last year, but still. You put me on the spot.
All right, I'll tell you 2 right now that are really good. One, Halt and Catch Fire, which is on Netflix. You gotta watch it. It's super good. The other one, Man in the High Castle, which is on Amazon Prime. Go check it out. Anyways, that's pretty much the video. And let me know what shows that we should be watching. Put it down below as well. I think it was a good hustling day for what it was. Not the best, definitely not the worst, but we enjoyed having you guys with us here in the truck with the small volume knobs. It's good to see you guys. Take it easy. Goodbye!
Why would you say that?
What?
Goodbye.
Harder, man.
Goodbye!